Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So up to now, as per NCERT textbook, all the preparations of aldehydes and ketones completely over beta, as per NCERT textbook. But now in this class, I am going to discuss some more extra preparations of aldehydes and ketones, which are very important for competitive exams. Okay, right. So in the preparations of aldehydes and ketones for objective point of view, here I am going to discuss about the first reaction, that is nothing but the Walker's process, important for objective point of view. Okay, listen carefully. So in this Walker's process, what we have to do? So in Walker's process, actually we have to do the procedure that is nothing but hydration. What we have to do, beta? Hydration. That means addition of water. Okay, hydration takes place. Okay, but which compounds? Hydration of alkenes. So alkenes upon hydration, by using suitable reagent of Walker's, they are going to form the products are nothing but the either maybe aldehyde or maybe ketone. That will be depends upon the alkene beta. Okay, right. So now I am going to show you the reaction directly. Because of this, are only for objective point of view, directly see the reaction. Hydration of alkene. Let me take first of all symmetric alkene. So what is the formula of symmetric alkene beta? Ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. What we can write beta? CH2 double bond CH2. So 2 carbon is eth, double bond is nothing but ene. Simply we can say ethene, and also we can say that ethylene. So the name of this compound is called ethene, and also we can say that ethylene. It undergo the process hydration. What is meant by hydration? Addition of water molecule. So simply we have to provide the aqueous condition. Addition of water takes place to alkane or ethene by using Walker's reagent. Sir, what is the formula of Walker's reagent? Palladium chloride plus cupric chloride. This mixture is known as Walker's reagent. So what is the formula I have told you? Palladium chloride means we can write that PdCl2. So what is the name of PdCl2 beta? Palladium chloride. Palladium chloride. And reaction going to be takes place in presence of CuCl2, nothing but cupric chloride. A mixture of palladium chloride plus cupric chloride, okay, now in aqueous condition, this entire mixture we have to say that Walker's reagent. And this reaction will be takes place in presence of air, and also we can say that in presence of oxygen also. Okay, na beta? Good. So now what will be happen, sir? Listen carefully. Here 2 hydrogens are there in water molecule. They combine to chlorine and goes to be eliminated in the form of what beta? 2 moles of HCl. Okay, na? Right, 2 moles of HCl. So 2 hydrogen was eliminated in the form of 2 moles of HCl. Remaining 1 oxygen is there. But before that, in presence of this Walker's catalyst, one of the hydrogen shifted to the CH2. Again CH2 becomes what, nana? CH3. Double bond becomes what beta? Single bond. After delocalization of one hydrogen, CH2 becomes what beta? CH. And from water molecule 2 hydrogens are there. Okay, now it was eliminated in the form of 2 moles of HCl. Remaining was only oxygen that goes to be adducts upon CH. Simply we can say that the product name is nothing but what beta? Acetaldehyde. So what is the name of this product, nana? Acetaldehyde. Okay, good. So 2 hydrogen 2 Cl, it was removed in the form of HCl, and alkenes are oxidizing into the aldehydes. Okay, very good. But यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? PdCl2 is there ना? So palladium chloride, Pd plus 2 charge is there. So palladium chloride in this reaction, it undergo the process reduction. Means PdCl2 gets reduces into the palladium metal plus Pd बोल के लिख देना. Reaction was over. Just to CuCl2, or we can say cupric chloride, it going to be act as only supporting solvent beta. Okay. So try to remember what is meant by Walker's reagent. Aqueous palladium chloride and cupric chloride, it is known as Walker's reagent. So alkene or ethene on reaction with Walker's reagent gives the product is nothing but aldehyde, that is nothing but acetaldehyde. Okay, na beta? Good. Next, let me consider another example. Hydration of alkanes. Here in first example I have taken symmetric alkene. Now let me consider one example for unsymmetric alkene. So what is the formula of unsymmetric alkene? This is nothing but ethene, symmetric alkene. Now you can consider propene, CH3 bonded to CH, double bond what beta? CH2. So the name of this compound is nothing but prop, double bond is nothing but ene, or we can say simply 1-propene. So 1-propene upon reaction with water, H2O. Because of water coming from which reagent? Palladium reagent. So aqueous PdCl2 and cupric chloride in presence of air, and also we can take that in presence of oxygen. Again same thing, Nana. From the central carbon, one of the hydrogen it was shifted to terminal carbon. Means ये hydrogen इधर shift होने के बाद CH2 becomes CH3, left side also CH3. So what will be the expected product, Nana? Is यहाँ पर CH3 bonded to C, again bonded to CH3. Because of from the central hydrogen, central carbon, hydrogen was shifted to CH2, CH2 becomes what beta CH3. Again from water molecule, free oxygen will be there, that goes to be attacks upon carbon. You are going to get the product is nothing but ketone. What is the name of this ketone beta? Acetone. You are going to be get that. Again same thing, byproducts are 2 hydrogen combines with 2 Cl goes to be eliminated in the form of HCl. Palladium chloride in this reaction it gets reduces to the palladium, that is nothing but Pd. Over. Okay, all of you. So hydration of alkenes in Walker's process by using Walker's reagent, palladium chloride and cupric chloride. So symmetrical alkene ethene changes into acetaldehyde, unsymmetrical alkene propene changes into acetone. Okay, now beta. Good. So next method I am going to be discuss here is that is nothing but the Azo process. This reaction already we have studied in case of phenols में आपने पढ़ाई की है बेटा, Azo process, and also we can say another name is called hydroformylation reaction. Azo process, and also we can say that hydroformylation, otherwise we can give the another name. This is known as carbonylation reaction. Which reaction beta? Carbonylation reaction, otherwise we can say that Azo process, and also we can say that hydroformylation. Okay, so here in this process what we have to do? Again same thing beta, like this alkene changes into aldehyde. Here in this Azo process also alkenes can be changes into aldehyde. Okay now, right. So let me consider one example of alkene. Directly अपन unsymmetrical consider करेंगे. What is an example of unsymmetrical alkene? CH3 bonded to CH, double bond CH2. What is the name of this compound beta? Propene. So in Azo process, beta, alkenes they are undergoing reaction with a mixture that is nothing but the water gas beta. Try to remember. So in Azo process, which mixture we are taking beta? Water gas, and you know the formula very well. What is the formula of water gas? CO plus H2. So this water gas mixture we have to be considered here. Yes, water gas. And reaction was taking place. Very important. A question we repeat हुआ था. What is the catalyst in Azo process? Important beta. So here I am going to write the catalyst formula. Central metal is cobalt. It contains free H atom. And it contains 4 carbonyl group CO. Capital C small o cobalt, capital C capital O carbonyl. That's why we are saying carbonylation method. Okay na? Anyway, so cobalt carbonyl hydride, but यहाँ पर CO taken 4 will be there. 4 CO ligands are there beta. This is a coordination complex. It going to be act as catalyst. In presence of this catalyst, reaction going to be takes place at the temperature 373 Kelvin and under a suitable pressure. Finally, what you are going to get the product, I am going to show you. Listen carefully. Listen beta, here we are considering in this reaction in presence of catalyst the reaction of water gas CO plus H2. First of all, they undergo a reaction with each other. After reaction between these two, here you are going to get the product is nothing but HCHO. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon is there, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. Everything was matched now beta. Okay. Now simply what we have to be do that, listen carefully. So H given to the central carbon, Already यहाँ पर what is the group is there? CH3 is there. Yes, I am going to be write the product here. CH3 group as it is I am going to be write. Next यहाँ पर क्या है बेटा? CH is there ना बेटा? So to that CH we have to be attack the H atom. So it becomes what beta? CH2. Okay, very good. After attacking of hydrogen upon second carbon, double bond becomes single bond. Yes. Next, what is the group is there beta? Here we have to write CH2 group as it is. Okay. CO plus H2 when they reacts with each other, water gas के बीच में reaction चलने के बाद, here you are getting H and CH2. So H attacks upon central C, it becomes CH2, double bond becomes single bond. Again यहाँ पर CH2 group is there. So H given to the second carbon ना बेटा. So remaining group CHO group is there, that was given to the second carbon. CHO given to the first carbon. So CHO given to the first carbon, H given to the second carbon, double bond become what beta? Single bond. So listen carefully. Reaction between CO and H2, it forms the HCHO, means hydrogen group and fermyl group. So attacking of H and attacking of fermyl, the reaction is called hydrofermylation. I hope you understand clearly. Okay na beta? Right. So finally what you are getting, the product name is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, 1AN. Otherwise we can get the common name. This is nothing but the N-butyraldehyde. N-butyraldehyde means propane is nothing but what beta? Alkene. So alkenes on reaction with water gas in presence of cobalt carbonyl hydride at 373 Kelvin and under a suitable pressure forms the products are nothing but the aldehyde. So alkenes are changes into the aldehyde upon reaction with water gas, and also we can say that upon hydrofermylation. In presence of catalyst, try to remember the name of catalyst also. Okay. So what we can say, catalyst is nothing but what beta in this reaction? In this reaction, catalyst is cobalt and the ligand is nothing but carbonyl. Otherwise we can say that tetracarbonyl as you wish. Cobalt carbonyl hydride. Yes beta. So it is going to be known as catalyst and यहाँ पर formula दिए बेटा. So alkanes upon reaction with water gas in presence of okay na this catalyst beta, the changes into the products are nothing but the aldehydes. So what I have told you here, H given to the second carbon, CHO given to the first carbon, then you are getting N-butyraldehyde. And also H can be given to the first carbon, CHO can be given to the second carbon. In that case you will get the isobutyraldehyde. But as per AXO process, N-butyraldehyde is more and major stable product. So try to be remembered. This is the major product. N form, not iso form. Okay, all of you? Good. Right. Next one is nothing but the two methods we have studied now. Yes, I am going to discuss the third method and fourth method. These two methods are very important now. Let me read first of all third method. Sir, what is mean by third method? Dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. In NEET and in CET and in GMAINS, I hope maybe in all the exams, so many times, number of questions, they are repeated from this method Nana, and also from the fourth method. Both are from the carboxylic acid. Just concept is different. Here what? Dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Okay, na? Right. So now I am going to show the reaction directly. First of all, we have to take calcium salts of carboxylic acid. First, suppose carboxylic acid is formic acid. In that, one of the hydrogen replaces the calcium. That means calcium salts of formic acid. And also we can say that short point is nothing but we can say that calcium formate. So what is the formula of calcium formate? CaHCOO. Actually HCOOH. This is nothing but formic acid. But I am not writing formic acid, I am writing formate. HCOO minus. This is nothing but the formate ion formula. But formate contains charge -1, but calcium contains charge +2. So we have to be right here taken twice. Okay, now? So what is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is called calcium formate. Calcium formate. Calcium formate, simply upon heating without the air, dry condition, it undergo the process purification and decomposition, or we have to say the method name is called upon dry distillation. Okay, calcium formate upon dry distillation, it going to be from the product is formaldehyde. What is the product beta? Formaldehyde. So I am going to be write the formula here, H bonded to CHO. Formaldehyde. Calcium formate gives formaldehyde. Okay na beta? Now I am going to show you the byproducts. How many calciums are there? One calcium. Okay, one calcium, okay, that takes a CO3 form and goes to be eliminated in the form of what beta? CaCO3. Automatically everything will be balanced. So what is the product here? The product name is here, that is called HCHO formaldehyde. Okay, all of you beta. If you want, you can check the balancing. One calcium, two hydrogens are there, two oxygen, 4, 3 plus 1, 4 oxygens are there. Everything was clear beta? Good. So calcium formate upon dry distillation, it going to be formed, the product is formaldehyde and the byproduct is nothing but what beta? Calcium carbonate. Right, now here I am going to write the second example. Calcium formate over beta. Now I am going to take calcium acetate. Ca bonded to in bracket में CH3COO minus. CH3COO minus nothing but looking like acetic acid. But यहाँ पर H के प्लेस में क्या लिखे? कैल्शियम लिखे. So we can say calcium salt of acetic acid, and we can say simply short name is nothing but calcium acetate. Calcium salt of acetic acid. Otherwise we can say that calcium acetate. But calcium contains charge +2. Here also we have taken twice. Okay, good beta. So calcium acetate upon heating undergo the process dry distillation. It going to be from the product. CH3 taken twice. Two methyl groups are there. And take one CO group. CH3 bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to CH3. In that square bracket, how many? Okay, the CH3s are there. Two CH3s are there. Yes, I have written two CH3. And यहाँ पर भी क्या क्या group है बेटा? CO group. Yes, that we can write in the form of C double bond O. Again, one calcium is there. Same like above, calcium goes to be eliminated in the form of what beta? CaCO3. Okay, now. So calcium acetate upon dry distillation, it going to be formed, the product is nothing but what beta? Is ketone, that is nothing but the acetone. Good beta. Next one is nothing but I am going to write here another one. Calcium acetate gives acetone, calcium formate gives formaldehyde. Now at a time I want to take two compounds, calcium acetate and calcium formate. Mixture को भी ले सकते, very important is. Okay, what is the formula of calcium acetate? Ca in bracket में CH3COO minus taken twice. What is the name of this compound? Calcium acetate beta. Calcium acetate. And we are taking a mixture of calcium acetate and calcium formate. So what is the formula of calcium formate? Ca in bracket में HCOO taken twice. So it is nothing but the calcium acetate, and here I have taken what beta? Calcium formate. Calcium acetate and calcium formate, mixture of salts of carboxylic acids. Here we are taking and followed by the undergo what beta? Dry distillation, simply upon heating. Okay, now what we are going to get? Listen carefully. How many methyl groups are there? Two methyl groups are there. Yes, I have written here. CH3 groups are 2. Listen carefully. CH3 2 groups are there. CHO 2 groups are there. CH3 2 groups are there. CHO 2 groups are there. So we can write 2 moles of, okay, 2 moles of CH3 and CHO. यहाँ पर calcium changes into calcium carbonate, calcium changes into calcium carbonate. But here in this C reaction, how many calciums are there? 2 calciums are there. Again same thing, 2 moles of Ca changes into 2 moles of CaCO3. Okay, now beta. So what is the product here you are getting? Yes, here we are getting the product. The product name is called acetaldehyde. So what is the product you are getting beta? Acetaldehyde. Once again, calcium formate gives formaldehyde, calcium acetate upon distillation gives acetone. Mixture of calcium acetate and calcium formate, यहाँ से CH3 यहाँ से CHO, you are getting acetaldehyde. Remaining two calciums are there, goes to be eliminated in the form of CaCO3. Everything will be automatically balanced. Okay na? Good na? Yes, here I am going to take another reaction. I am going to show you here another reaction beta. For suppose here I am going to take the compound is Ca in bracket में C6H5COO minus, looking like benzoic acid. Benzene bonded to COOH, benzoic acid. But in place of H we are writing calcium. That's why we have to say that calcium salt of benzoic acid. Calcium salt of benzoic acid. And also we can say that shortly this is known as calcium benzoate. What beta? Calcium benzoate. Again Ca contains Al plus 2. Here also taken twice beta. So simply upon heating, it also undergo dry distillation and it going to be formed. The product is B reaction and D reaction, both are same. Calcium acetate and this is calcium benzoate. Here in place of CH3 we have written here C6H5. So यहाँ पर भी CH3 के place में क्या लिखना? दो बेंजीन लिखना बेटा. You are going to get that benzophenone. Okay ना? Right. C6H5, how many groups are there? Two groups are there. C6H5 bonded to C. Again we have to say that C6H5. Just now calcium acetate gives acetone, calcium benzoate gives benzophenone. In place of CH3 benzene is there. In place of 2 CH3 we have to write benzene. So benzene bonded to C double bond O. Again it bonded to benzene. What is the name of this compound? Benzophenone. Benzophenone. Again same thing beta. One calcium is there that goes to be removed in the form of CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, all of you? Yes, like that manner. Yes. So, okay, another reaction in that category I want to tell you, E category beta. Here we have taken calcium benzoate na beta. Right. Again calcium benzoate I am going to be taking here. Ca in bracket में C6H5 COO minus calcium benzoate plus I am going to take that. यहाँ पर क्या लिया C में? Calcium acetate and calcium formate. Now I want to take that calcium benzoate and calcium formate. Okay, calcium benzoate and one more is nothing but the calcium what beta formate. So what is the name of this compound? Calcium salt of benzoic acid, and also we can say the short name, it is known as calcium benzoate. And what is the name of this compound? Calcium formate na beta. Calcium salt of formic acid, and also we can say that calcium formate. Okay, you suppose it is another example E. So a mixture of calcium benzoate and calcium formate upon dry distillation or upon heating, simply they are going to form the product like Cinan. CH3 to CHO2. So 2 moles of CH3 CHO. यहाँ पर भी same thing. 2 moles of benzene bonded to CHO. What is the product you are going to be get that? 2 moles of C6H5. Again CHO. How many groups are there? 2 groups are there. 2 groups are there. So what is the name of your product here? Yes, the name is nothing but what beta? Benzaldehyde. Benzene bonded to CHO. Again calcium changes into calcium carbonate. यहाँ पर भी calcium is there. Calcium changes into calcium carbonate. How many moles? 2 moles. Okay na? Right. In this category last reaction is there. Again I want to take calcium benzoate. What is the formula? Ca in bracket में C6H5 COO minus. The name of this compound is called calcium benzoate. Okay na? Yeah. This is only calcium benzoate. Calcium benzoate with calcium formate. Now calcium benzoate with calcium acetate. Any two mixture you can consider beta. Ca in bracket में CH3COO minus. Calcium salt of acetic acid and also we can say that calcium acetate. So one is calcium benzoate, one more is nothing but calcium acetate. Okay, this mixture upon heating, simply we have to say that undergo dry distillation, and it's going to be from the product is 2 moles of C6H5. Yes, I have written here. And CH3CO, 2 groups are there. Yes, we can say that C double bond O, CO, 2 groups are there. And CO connected to CH3, yes, CO connected to CH3. COCH3, 2 groups are there. COCH3, 2 groups are there. Here 2 benzene is there. But remaining how many calciums are there? 2 calciums are there. We can remove in the form of CaCO3. Automatically it will be balanced. So benzene bonded to C double bond O CH3. What is the name of this compound? Acetophenone. A story beta. So in this manner and in this way we can prepare all types of aldehydes and ketones from dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Very important method. So क्या क्या prepare किए? Okay, no, formaldehyde and acetone and benzaldehyde, sorry, acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, acetone, acetaldehyde. यहाँ पर water of benzophenone, and this is benzaldehyde and this is acetophenone. So most of the almost all the very important aldehydes and ketones we have prepared. Once again, calcium formate gives formaldehyde, calcium acetate gives acetone, calcium acetate gives acetone, calcium benzoate gives benzophenone. Very similar nana. In place of CH3 write benzene. Right. Calcium acetate and calcium formate. CH3 and CHO. The answer is nothing but acetaldehyde. Calcium benzoate, calcium formate. यहाँ से benzene, यहाँ से CHO. Answer is what? Benzaldehyde. Calcium benzoate, calcium acetate. यहाँ से benzene, यहाँ से COCH3. Answer is nothing but what? Acetophenone. And in all the reactions, the common byproduct is nothing but calcium carbonate. If one calcium is there, CaCO3. If 2 calciums are there, like that, we have to remove 2 moles of CaCO3. Okay, na beta? Very important. Okay, na? Right. So from this dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids, by using this method, not only open aldehydes and ketones, we can prepare the cyclic ketone also. Cyclic ketone को भी अपन prepare कर सकते हैं by using this dry distillation method. So I want to tell you here one example. So upon dry distillation concept, we are going to prepare the cyclic ketone. These are the open aldehydes and ketones. Now cyclic ketone. Very important. So what will be the concept? Concept is calcium salts of dicarboxylic acids. Here is only monocarboxylic acid. But यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Dicarboxylic acids. At a time 2 COOH group should be there. Calcium salts of dicarboxylic acids. Again same thing upon heating. Undergo the process of dry distillation. Which process beta? Dry distillation. And definitely it's going to be formed. The product is nothing but cyclic ketones. What you are going to be formed beta? Cyclic ketones. Okay, what is the formula of cyclic ketone? Let me write first of all one example for calcium salts of dicarboxylic acid. Yes, I am going to write one example here. CH2 bond COOH, CH2 bond COOH, and you know this compound, I hope maybe the compound name is called succinic acid. Which acid beta? Succinic acid. But we are taking carboxylic acid or salt of carboxylic acid. We are taking salts of carboxylic acid. So H plus remove कीजिए. Here the charge is minus. Remove the H plus. Again the charge is minus. -1 -1 -2. It is equals to the Ca contain the charge is +2. Okay na? So this is nothing but the calcium salt of dicarboxylic acid. Okay, calcium salts of dicarboxylic acid, or we can say calcium salt of succinic acid, and short name is nothing but we have to be say that calcium succinate. It upon heating undergo the process of dry distillation. How to do dry distillation? So calcium salts of dicarboxylic acids upon dry distillation, definitely again same thing, when calcium is there, it goes to be removed in the form of CaCO3, remaining CH2 as it is, CH2 carbon, CH2 carbon. Is what we are removing beta, once calcium and CO3 is COO, यहाँ से और एक oxygen. So like that, one carbon and two oxygen, 1, 2, 3 oxygens. Remaining what is the group is there? C double bond group is there, na beta? Yes, remaining is nothing but C double bond group. So this is your compound cycloketone. Nothing but 3 carbons are there. So we can say that product name is called cyclopropanone. Cyclopropanone. So let's show you another example. Yes. This is nothing but calcium salt of succinic acid. Now I want to take another dicarboxylic acid beta. Okay, the formula is CH2 bonded to CH2. Again you suppose it connected to COOH, but I am writing here minus. Again here I am going to be write that CH2 bonded to CH2, COO minus. So CH2 taken 4, COOH, this is called adipic acid. But you want adipic acid or salt of adipic acid? Again we want here calcium salt of adipic acid. Ca contain +2, यहाँ पर -1, -2 beta. So this is nothing but the calcium salt of adipic acid, and we can say that short name is called calcium adipate. एक question repeat हुआ object here. Is calcium adipate upon what nana? Is a dry distillation. Calcium combines with what nana? COO, removed in the form of minus CaCO3. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. Is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. First CH2, second CH2, third CH2, 4 CH2. COOO, CO3 was removed. Remaining is nothing but same thing. C double bond O. C double bond O. So it is your cyclic ketone. The name is nothing but the cyclopentanone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the name of this compound is called what beta? Cyclopentanone. Okay, all of you. समझ गए clearly? Okay ना बेटा? Good. So from carboxylic acid already I have told you 2 methods. This is distillation method. One more is catalytic decomposition method. Right now, fourth method is catalytic decomposition of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Same method. Catalytic decomposition. Catalytic decomposition of, simply we have to say that what beta? Carboxylic acids. Catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acids, not salt beta, only carboxylic acids. Right. Let me write first of all one example. Carboxylic acid is one carbon acid is nothing but what? Formic acid. What is the formula? H bond COOH. Otherwise we can write that H bonded to C double bond O, it bonded to OH. And also we can write another example. H bonded to C double bond O. Again, okay now it connected to OH. So how many moles of formic acid? HCOOH, HCOOH. 2 moles of formic acid we have taken. How many moles? 2 moles of formic acid. 2 moles of formic acid, nothing but it is a carboxylic acid. It passing over the catalyst. The catalyst is nothing but MnO, manganese oxide, by using the suitable temperature 573 Kelvin. And also this mixture we can pass over another catalyst, that is nothing but alumina. What is the formula of alumina? Al2O3, by using the temperature is nothing but 673 Kelvin. Sir, now what are the products we are going to be getting? Okay, I am going to show you the products. Listen carefully. What is the group is here? HC double bond O. Okay, I am going to be right here as it is. HC double bond O. Okay, from second molecule, here I am going to be take hydrogen. So H attacks upon, okay, now HC double bond O group, like this. So looking like HCHO. What is the name of this compound? Formaldehyde. formaldehyde. Good now. Listen carefully. So HC double bond O we have written there. Remaining is OH minus. OH minus combines with H plus and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. OH minus combines with H, but remaining is COO, nothing but we can remove in the form of what beta? CO2. So how many products we are getting? 3 products. OH and H in the form of H2. COO removed in the form of CO2. Just H attacks upon HC double bond O group. You are going to get the first product, very important product. This is nothing but formaldehyde. Okay now? So 2 moles of formic acid, a mixture of formic acid, by passing over the MnO catalyst manganese oxide or by passing over the alumina Al2O3, it undergoes decomposition, decomposes into the formaldehyde. So formic acid decomposes into formaldehyde. Okay na beta? Right, another example I want to tell that. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to OH. Again I am going to write that CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to OH. So how many moles of carboxylic acid? 2 moles. So 2 moles of carboxylic acid, and also we can say that ethanoic acid, otherwise we can say that acetic acid. यहाँ पर 2 moles of formic acid, यहाँ पर 2 moles of acetic acid. By passing over the catalyst, that is nothing but the MnO. Okay, by using suitable temperature 573 Kelvin. Otherwise you can write alumina also as you wish. So what we have to write? CH3 C double bond O, same like above. CH3 C double bond O. Yes, I am going to be right here as it is. Good. From second molecule we have taken H, but here from second molecule we have to take CH3. So CH3 attacks upon C double bond O CH3. CH3 attacks upon C double bond O CH3. CH3 attacks upon C double bond O CH3. What is the name of your product beta? Acetone. Again remaining same thing. OH minus combines with H plus and goes to be eliminated in the form of H2O. Remaining COO, again same thing, goes to be eliminated in the form of CO2. So in this category, common byproducts are water molecule and CO2. So formic acid gives formaldehyde and 2 moles of acetic acid gives acetone. Okay now, right, another example. Listen beta, 2 same formic acid, acetic acid. Now I want to take 2 different acetic acid and one more is nothing but formic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3 bonded to C double bond O. With connected to what is the group beta? OH group is there. Yes, OH group is there. Okay, acetic acid. It undergo mixing with water and another mole is different here. So HC double bond O OH. One is nothing but the acetic acid and one more is nothing but what beta? Formic acid. So okay now, 2 same भी ले सकते हैं, 2 different भी ले सकते हैं as you wish. So a mixture of acetic acid and formic acid by passing over the surface of manganese oxide or alumina, it undergo the process catalytic decomposition and it going to be formed the product is. Yes, I am going to show the product beta. The product is nothing but CH3 C double bond O. Here also same thing, CH3 C double bond O. I am going to be right here as it is. From second molecule we have to be take H. यहाँ पर क्या लिया CH3. यहाँ पर भी क्या है बेटा H. So H attacks upon C double bond O CH3. Like this. So what is the name of your product? Acetaldehyde. Okay. Again OH and H removed in the form of H2O. Again COO removed in the form of what beta? CO2. Okay now. Okay beta. So formic acid, 2 moles of formic acid by passing over the MnO undergo catalytic decomposition and forms the product is formaldehyde. 2 moles of acetic acid gives acetone. So a mixture of acetic acid and formic acid gives CH3 C double bond OH, nothing but acetaldehyde. Now not only these 3, all types of aldehydes and ketones also we can prepare. For suppose here CH3 in place of CH3, यहाँ पर भी in place of CH3. Right here benzene, benzoic acid. Right here benzene, benzoic acid. So acetic acid gives acetone, benzoic acid gives benzophenone. Okay now, right now. Here I am going to write benzene. Here is same. So benzene bonded to CHO. You will get the benzaldehyde. For suppose here is benzene. Okay, now yes, yes. Here is benzene. Here is hydrogen. So answer is nothing but what, na? Acetaldehyde. One is benzene. One more is CH3. Acetophenone. Both are benzene. Benzophenone. Like that, all types of aldehydes and ketones we can prepare by the method is nothing but catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acids. These carboxylic acids, by passing over the surface of suitable catalyst by using suitable temperature, they will undergo decomposition and gives the respective aldehydes and ketones. So calcium, okay, now mixture of formic acid gives formaldehyde, mixture of acetic acid gives acetone, mixture of benzoic acid gives benzophenone. Yes, and acetic acid and formic acid gives acetaldehyde. Benzoic acid and formic acid gives benzaldehyde. Like that, all types we can prepare. I hope you understand better. So, as per objective point of view, okay, in the topic of preparations of aldehydes and ketones, today we have finished 4 methods. Remaining 4 methods are there that we are going to be finishing tomorrow's class. Okay, beta?